First things first, say hi. Good dog. Okay, you want to keep eating the grass? You want to keep eating the grass? Okay. Well, hi, I missed you since Friday. Thank you ladies for all of the positive feedback on the hair video. Feels weird to like change pace a little bit, but if that makes you more comfortable, but literally you cannot see a thing. I can only see myself through the window. And the window's not even in frame. A hello from Tim as well. You guys have been seeing a lot more of just my face instead of the two of us. We are trying to share work a little bit. You know, Tim full-time does Amazon, and then I full-time do YouTube and our social media. So as far as like the work of it, it's not really fair for him to like be in all of this. Of course, he's in all of the episodes of Tripped and everything, but for, you know, like the little talking head videos, you guys are stuck with me. Sorry about you. But that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. Handy dandy notebook. I hope you enjoyed the How to Make Money and Travel series. That is something that has been on our list to add to our YouTube channel for a while now. And so it just feels really good to share some of that information. So anyways, that just feels good from a personal goal standpoint, I guess you could say. While you were watching all of the How to Make Money and Travel videos, we were traveling and filming the next series of Tripped. In that series, we travel, this is faster if I just read it. We travel with a layover in Stockholm, head to China on a business trip. We have a layover in Macau. We take a 4-day cave tour in Vietnam. And anyone who's been here since the beginning of Tripped just get ready, because you already know what that's gonna be like. 2 weeks in super northern Vietnam on a motorbike tour. Then we head over to Seoul, South Korea, and also visit the DMZ and the border of South and North Korea. So that is the next series of Tripped. And typically when we would return back or stop traveling so quickly, I mean, like, not go home, I don't know where home is, but typically after a big trip like that, we film it all at once and then start editing it. Launching the first episodes of this series is taking a little bit longer because I know several of you saw on our YouTube community page that we were looking for video editors, and on Instagram we were asking for video editors, and we have found one, and we are going to be working with Rhett. He has his own videography business, but him and his partner Claire also have a YouTube channel, so I'll link that down below. They have just beautiful stuff, which is why we are asking for their help on our channel, because it just looks so beautiful. So Rhett, thank you for helping us out and for bringing us the next beautiful series of Tripped. The plan right now is to share the trailer on September 1st, which is the Sunday of Labor Day weekend, and then begin episodes from there. The reason why this is taking a little bit longer is just because we needed to find a video editor, start working with them, and then the plan is to share 2 episodes of Tripped a week. So once we get going, it'll feel more like, you know, you can continuously watch it instead of maybe only just 10 minutes a week. So this will just, I don't know, feel more like you're in it or a part of it. You don't have to wait so long. So that's the point. More just insanely exciting news is we have been in development for 2 new websites, and I just saw the preview of the new Trip Travel Gear website yesterday, and I literally started crying because it was just like, was so beautiful. I don't know, we're at the point in our business where to this point, we've done everything ourselves, and you know, when you're a startup, that's kind of what you do, but we're finally starting to let go of the reins a little bit and ask for help on things with people who are better than we are at those skills. So Rhett's gonna bring his video editing skills to the channel, and then Olivia from Makers CC is designing both of our websites, and just seeing the preview makes me realize that, you know, we made the right decision to hire out those things that we were always like good enough in to get by, but now at the next level, it's so nice to have the professional eye come in. So we're so excited to share those new websites with you. If you've never been to, any of our sites, all of our products, Trip Travel Gear, are sold exclusively on Amazon. That's because we are a fulfilled by Amazon company, which you saw if you watched that Amazon video. But we are not shipping out any of our products. So our website is more just like explaining about our brand, explaining what the products do is just more information, but then you're still shopping through Amazon. So she is building that site that will be up and live first, and I'll share that too on this channel when that goes up live. The second site is our Tim and Finn travel blog. We have had this blog ever since, I guess even before we created the YouTube channel. We have loads of articles on there. We share all of our video content, and that's always been there in case you haven't been to the site. But it is currently under construction, and I believe if you go to the homepage right now, you can enter your email address to sign up to be notified when it goes live. But if you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on right now, then I'll share that on the YouTube channel as well, so you'll be able to go and check out the new site. And I haven't seen that one yet, so I'm just as excited as you are. Part of that project, though, of redoing our websites is that on our blog, you'll be able to sort content by the country that you would want to be traveling to. So if you're planning a trip to Croatia, you can go to our Croatia page, find all this information about Croatia, and also search all the places that we've been to in Croatia. It sounds straightforward, but it wasn't as intuitive before. Part of making that possible, though, is right now our YouTube video content isn't necessarily organized very well by country. It's organized by kind of how the episodes of Tripped were created or how the seasons of Tripped were created. So for example, we have multiple episodes of the Philippines, 2 episodes of Cambodia, and like the first 2 episodes of Vietnam all in one season of Tripped because we were traveling with friends, so it was like the traveling with friends season. But if you're searching on the website, like you don't care that we were traveling with friends, you want to see, you know, where to go in the Philippines or how to visit Siem Reap. On the website, we'll want to share video content from YouTube and, you know, embedding it on the page. So on our channel daily, from now until the next month or so, you guys are gonna see new videos on our channel every single day. Almost all of this is already published. So if you've watched us from the beginning, if you've gone back and done the binge playlist, you've seen this already. So I don't want anyone to think that like we're trying to scam you by like re-uploading content or anything. The difference is just now that instead of 4 individual Philippine vlogs or 1 2-hour video that combines Cambodia and Vietnam, it will be a half-hour video of just the Philippines and all of these individual countries. I'm also creating a new intro that's custom to this series as well. So if you haven't seen previous videos on our channel when we were traveling around the world, this is a great opportunity to do that because they'll just be coming into your inbox. If you've seen them already, don't like, I don't know, I guess this is just a disclaimer. I just am anticipating random comments being like, I've seen this before, but you've seen it before. That's all I'm saying. You've seen this before. But that way we'll be able to get it into our website. So thank you for your patience with that. Oh, yep, and this is why I have my notes. So we will be beginning that series with actually 2 countries that you have not seen us travel to before. I haven't even told Tim that I'm putting this up there because he's gonna be like, why? Why? But the first video that you'll see is in Scotland. That was our first international trip together. We'd only been dating like 3 months, but we went to a wedding there, and so we filmed stuff, and it's kind of more like home movie style, but bleep. 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 You guys can go back in time and see what it was like, because that's how this whole YouTube thing started for me. I just liked taking photos and video of vacations and then putting them together in like a 10-minute movie because my parents or nobody wanted to sit down and go through my 1,000 pictures. It was more like to capture people's attention, to be like, look at this is our trip. So you'll see the Scotland thing was like, hey, Mom and Dad, we went to Scotland. So that I'm sharing that tomorrow actually. And then the next one is our trip to Costa Rica. We went to Costa Rica for 10 days, again, just as a vacation, as boyfriend, girlfriend, several years ago. And so you'll just kind of see like the highlight reel from our vacation. So those are the first 2, and then we'll go into Germany, which was the first episode of the first series of Tripped. But again, it's not the first episode of the first series of Tripped because we were in Bali doing some explanations. We were leaving the U.S. No. It's just like, it's more of a travel video. It goes straight to Germany with some additional custom content in there. I forgot I also wrote on here, I made a video because we were videoing when Tim proposed, and I just feel like someone there would want to see it, and it's already a made video, so maybe I'll share that. You guys can let me know if you want to see Tim proposing. It's cute because we're skiing and we're in 80s onesies, so that's just good content right there. And okay, well, I'll see you tomorrow in Scotland. As always, thank you all for being here. Pepper says bye. She's busy eating grass. Stay. Oh my god, I saw Pepper rolling in something while I was filming, and I was just like, oh my god, what could be dead in the yard? Like, why is she Pepper, sit. Stay. Oh, hey, get! Well, that would have been today's exciting Instagram content, but I missed it because I scared her with the tripod. So now there is no more dead gecko on her back anymore.